As leaders, we just want to make sure that we're being fair and we are being clear on what we expect. Because when you set expectations and you set high expectations for yourself, you are saying, I am an awesome leader. I want to be an amazing leader and I want to grow and I want to get better. And I want to assure myself that I'm doing an amazing job. You can say, now I'm going to focus on clearly communicating and clearly stating my expectations. And again, if you set high expectations, people will meet your high expectations. They really will. Especially if you are a person of excellence, not perfection. We don't strive for perfection. I'm speaking for myself and I'm speaking for the people that I work with. But we don't strive for perfection. And I would encourage you not to strive for perfection because that's going to wear you out. But we strive for excellence. And excellence means that we try to do our best each time. And then the next time we try to do our best. And once we've achieved our best, then we try to continue doing our best, or we can take it up a notch, but we always want to do it in a way that is well done. And when we see that we've made a mistake, then we just acknowledge it. We try to put systems in place so that the same mistakes don't occur over and over again. And then we just continue going forward.